let me try to sum up a little bit with the concluding remarks what I think we have seen today and yesterday. I think we have witnessed really the multiple facets, communities, and motivation behind all this effort of preserving software in general in different ways. So you see here, I try to come up with a list. I mean, the different ways we need to face collection, artifacts, oral history, documents, etc., etc. The curation effort that has so many facets again, restoration, getting the provenance, the metadata, etc. Clearance, can we use these data? So the legal aspect and framework, the copyright. How about the reproduction? I mean, the emulator, software, or hardware in different way, recompiling software to run it today in different way, how we should present the stories to people in different ways. I mean, it's fascinating to see how many takes there are about all this. And then we have also discovered there are a few generic common infrastructures that do not solve the problem, but they can be reused to help provide some initial step. This is what we try to do in software heritage by providing archives specifically for source code. We also went an extra mile providing this process, which is SWAP and software stories. We have seen EASY, which is a kind of emulation at your fingertip. It's designed for software. And then we have generic platform. I mean, Wikidata, open access repository, archives, video archives, etc. These are not specifically for software, but they are interesting for the stories we are building. We have also, I think, understood today that we need not just these platforms, which are technical platforms, but we also need a collaboration infrastructure for bridging together all these different communities we started bringing together today. Of course, the big ambition would be to have a legal organization with an umbrella for this, with incentive, recognition, and funding, etc. Will take some time. Maybe we can start humbling by having some newsletter. I mean, this is something we hope to come back to you with. And by the way, all the event material will be available on the event page in a few days. That give us the time to edit the videos, upload the slides, etc. It takes a little bit of time. And let me also add another point I think is really important. I do not know if you noticed, but we had a unique opportunity here. I mean, you heard the opening address by the chief of the Memory of the World program at UNESCO yesterday. This is kind of new, right? I mean, so software is kind of appearing, getting awareness, but it's important as part of our cultural heritage, right? This is new. I mean, it is not entirely new. If you look at the agreement we had with UNESCO in 2017, there were already some important points in there, but it takes time. You look at the Paris Conference 2019, slowly it is taking over. So let's not stop here. Thank you for being here, and thank you in advance for staying connected. It's not the end, okay? It's not even the end of the beginning, okay? As you know, okay? It's the beginning of something else. Okay, thanks a lot.